Now, once the org is created, now how we should be knowing it, what is the additions, and where my org is created. Go to the setup. Here in the home page, click on this setup. There is a setup icon is there. Click on that setup icon. In that setup icon, search for a company information. Company information. In status, so setup, go to the company information. On the home page, click on this setup and then go to the company information. Now, if you see here, now it will give you the organization name is Swapna IT. So that is exactly the on top your org name. And this is the address is in India. So the India English. And here is the space allocation. The storage allocation is here. Now we'll come to the storage allocation. Now next thing is that which edition are we in. So you can look at the organization edition, and here is it says developer edition. And which instance I'm in? AP27. That means if you go to the trust.salesforce.com, go to the Salesforce services. No. So here Asia Pacific, Americas, EMA. So all the India related or wherever the few countries are part of this region, Asia Pacific, few countries are part of EMEA. Example, here we have a India related. So all the AP related. So in the AP, there are so many are there. If you look at this, AP instances are so many. So from here to till here we have a AP instances. Why we have so many AP instances? Because in AP also based on the postcode. Based on the postcode, it also check where it is falling. So mine is around here AP27. Mine is inside this. So in this instance, AP27. So in this instance, our org is created. So in the instance, we can create 8,000 or how many orgs can be created in the instance? Many organizations can be created in single instances. The team who has already attended the session, they should be knowing it.
8,000. 8,000 to 10,000 orgs in an instance.
So 8,000 is the minimum up to 10,000. So we can create a org in the instance. So this is one instance. In this instance, we will be having a different sales org will be there. So this is the org 1, this is the org 2, and this is org 3, org 4. Like this, we can create minimum 8,000. 8,000 to 10,000 you can create it. Orgs can be created. So ours is one of the org which is part of AP27. And that's how we will be able to identify. Even when you are working in the real time, if you are joined the company and after joining the company, if they have provided you the org, and you can first thing you have to cross verify is this org, what is the addition they are using it, and where is this instance, and what is the storage space which they have it. What is the storage space they have? So if you click on this, you will be able to see the storage usage. So this has a data storage limit is 5.0 MB and used is 322 KB. The reason why it is says it is a new org, but it is says used 322 KB, 6% is used. The reason is Salesforce, whenever they create a org, they will also giving us the some kind of a data. Now we will see what is the data. File storage 20 MB, used as 30 KB, that is the default. So this is all current storage. Okay, so you can see here current storage. So, but the data storage in the developer edition is 5 MB, file storage is 20 MB in developer edition. Similarly, you will have it licenses here. That part we will see later. Right, so this is all about the company information, and in case your org is not working, now we know that AP27 is an instance. In case it says that there is a maintenance is going on, or whenever you are logged in, this org is not able to log in. In that case, what you can do, you can go to the status.salesforce.com and go to the instance of AP27, check the maintenance and check the history. Is there anything that is running right now? So right now, overall system looks good. But in case if you want to cross verify if there is something is going on, then you can check here. Right, in the maintenance, it will give you all the maintenance of this instance. When is the updates are happening? When is some fixes are updated or something live is happening or some any maintenance is happening, you can cross verify in the maintenance. This part will cover later. Now, but maintenance is nothing but it will give you from past days or a future till 1 year, assume that next 6 months or 1 year, what is going to happen? Like say here January to December, right? So what are the things that are going to happen in this instance? It will give you everything information here. But this may not be fixed. It might change it based on the Salesforce input. Right now, this is the plan. But if they change any plan, they might update it here. And history, it will give you the history. Like in last 7 days, what happened? In last 3 days, what happened? In last 24 hours, what happened? Was there any maintenance or not? Let's say last 7 days. Now, there is nothing has happened. Now, if you want to go back, you can go back. Because right now we have created the org, you might not be able to see much here. So this is where you can cross verify in case your Salesforce org is not working.